Hey, welcome back to another video by the Premium Guy. Today I wanted to take you inside of a covered call that I placed on ChargePoint Holdings, stock symbol CHPT. If we haven't met yet, my name is Mike, and I'm just a regular dude who likes to take his money and try to make more money with it. I usually do that by selling options, buying dividend stocks, and holding on to long-term stocks that I really believe in. Today, I will show you how I made just over a 15% return in just 1 month on one stock utilizing the wheel strategy. And you can do this too. If you've been following this channel, you know that I acquired my 100 shares of ChargePoint by selling a cash secured put at the beginning of May. If you didn't see the video, I will link it in the description below for you. The quick recap of that video would be that I sold a cash secured put which expired in the money, and so I was assigned 100 shares of CHPT at my strike price of $23.50 per share. Since then, I've been selling covered calls against those shares, and I sell these covered calls above my cost basis so that I make sure that I capture both premiums and stock appreciation. But before I go over my latest covered call that expired on June 4th, 2021 on CHPT, let's do some quick research. Let's remember, I purchased these shares for $23.50 each, so as long as I pick a strike above my cost basis, we will keep ourselves in the green. Looking at the charts, I recognize that there's a short-term resistance at around $26.48 and a longer-term resistance around $29. ChargePoint hadn't been moving much recently, so I decided to pick something a little more aggressive. On May 26, 2021, I sold a covered call on CHPT for the $26.50 strike, expiring Friday, June 4th for 33 cents. This means that I put my 100 shares of CHPT up as collateral for a possible $300 gain. Meanwhile, I was earning $33 doing so. I think that the instant this contract filled, this stock started to climb, and pretty rapidly, but I decided to stick with it. The stock was pretty volatile in the last couple of days as this contract was closing, going as low as $25.70 and as high as $28.34. On June 4th, ChargePoint closed at $28.14, putting this contract well in the money. Later that night, I received an email letting me know that my shares would be called away, but I would receive $2,650 in return. So let's look at the overall profit and timeline for this trade using the wheel strategy. I was originally assigned 100 shares of CHPT for $2,350 on May 7th, 2021. I sold my shares on June 4th for $2,650, a $300 profit, a 12.8% return. During this time, I also earned $61 in premium, giving me a total profit of $361, also a 15.4% return in just 28 days. On average, the S&P gives an annual return rate of about 11%, and we were able to beat that return in just 28 days. How do you feel about the total profit received? Would you be mad that you didn't sell the stock for $28 where it closed? Or would you be ecstatic to earn over a 15% return? Let me know in the comments section below. Also, I'd like to know what stock do you think I should look at now that I have some more cash sitting in the account. Thanks for sticking around and seeing how this trade went for me. And if you want, you can do these trades too. I would really appreciate it if you would tap the like button. And if you want to see more trades like this one, hit that subscribe button as well. Don't forget to plan your work and work your plan. Always remember to never stop loving and never stop learning. I wish you green days ahead, and let's continue to grow together.